Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Endo International PLC. Now we have recently seen a bounce back, and that is why we are interested to look at this particular stock. This does not mean any big move or any trend rebound or something. This is going to be a trading bounce if there is any, because the stock has fallen a lot, because there are some unnecessary selling that has happened. And if I may zoom this a bit, as you can see, there are some huge amount of selling that's been happening, and sometimes it is uncalled for. So anyways, let us see how the trend is looking right now and what lies ahead. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, when I said that the stock has fallen a lot, it does not mean that it is giving me a comfort to buy and hold it on. Okay, because the trend has broken down. The stock is no doubt is very volatile, and the risk will be immensely high. So if you want to do something in this kind of stock, first of all, the first thought would be, if you do not understand, better not to try these things. Okay, this is not a trial and error kind of thing. If you know what you are doing, if you are very sure, then only go for it. Right? So this is the first thing you need to understand. Now, what the trend is saying is something like this. First of all, you have your stop loss at 0.28 and you have your immediate support at 0.65. But if you want, you can consider 0.65 as your stop loss on the downside. You need not to go below 0.65 right now and wait for 0.28, because this will again be a risky thing to do. So don't do that, right? So please consider any one of these two things depending upon your risk taking abilities, but better not to go below 0.65. Now, because the stock continues to sustain above 0.65, the next target that we have here as far as Endo International is concerned is going to be $2. This is going to be your next target. Moving further, if it further moves higher and it trades above 2 or 2.1, then it will move towards or in between 4.99 and 5.37. Now this is very important, because for this range 4.99 and 5.7 was your support in 2001, 2002 and then in 2018, and finally a breakdown happens after 2019. The stock tries to crawl back in 2020-21, but it was failed miserably and started moving lower. So the range between 5 and 5.7 is going to be your big time resistance going forward. So any big move will be restricted till or in between 5 and 5.7. This is what we have here as far as the trend is concerned. So on the downside you have 0.28 and 0.65, and on the upside your upper end or the trading bounce back will be restricted in between 5 and 5.7. So please remember this particular zone. Yes, indeed there is a big trading action which could probably happen, but it does not change anything, and more than that, right now it does not mean anything until and unless there is a huge move that is visible, and probably we are going to reanalyze that if there is something. Right now it is just a trading bounce. If the stock of Endo International PLC continues to sustain above 0.65, then we will move towards $2 and $5 in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.